welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to clean dirty spark plugs with just some basic household items, Coca-Cola, and a little bit of salt. Let's get started. We have some spark plugs here that have obviously seen some better days. You got a lot of buildup here, as you can see. Some corrosion, even a little bit of some surface rust here. But the overall plugs, as far as the gaps and stuff, are actually fine. So rather than get rid of them, I'm going to just go ahead and clean them so we can get a better contact there. You can see they're all kind of roughed up. So let's go ahead and add some Coke to this. We'll put a little bit of salt in there, let them sit for a little bit of time, and let's see what happens. Make sure they are completely submerged in the Coke. Okay. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt to that as well. Okay. We'll let it sit for a couple hours. In some cases, if the corrosion is very bad, you can let it sit overnight, but we'll let them sit for a few hours, come back and check on them and see how they're looking. All right, it's been a few hours. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how they're coming along. Okay. All right, that is definitely a lot better. You can see all the corrosion and rust is off, and even up here where it was all, see if I can get a closer up shot of it here. You can see that it's more silver up here and not all black as it was before. I'm going to go ahead and leave them in maybe another hour maybe, and then we'll go ahead and maybe take a copper brush and just kind of clean some of that off, and let's see how they look. We'll pull them all out, rinse them off. Okay, we're going to go ahead and now pull these out. Use a very thin copper brush and just clean, lightly brush that off so we can get everything that's been loosened scraped off. You can see there it's coming off, so we'll just take our time and work on that and just be patient and get that all cleaned off, and then we can rinse it. You can already see there it's getting nice and shiny, looking really good. Just go gentle, take your time. You can see there almost looks brand new. Do a little more cleaning there on this end, clean a little bit more of that off, and I think we'll move on to the next one. Here's one here that had a lot of had some surface rust and all kinds of stuff on there, so we'll see how good this one cleans up. The Coke and the salt should have loosened up and eaten some of that off, and actually you can see right here already. See if I can clear it. There we go. You can see here already it's coming off pretty easy. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that a little bit, and let's see what we get. Okay, so did a lot of cleaning on this one, and still a little bit of damage here from where the rust was, but we got all the dirt and debris off. It actually cleaned up pretty good, so definitely in good shape to be used. Here they all are, all cleaned, dried off, just letting them air dry overnight before we put them back in the vehicle. Obviously, there's only 5. One of them was damaged, so we weren't able to do that one. But these here, as you can see, they actually cleaned up very, very good. So that pretty much is it on cleaning dirty spark plugs. Well, that pretty much wraps up this episode on how to clean dirty spark plugs. Please send any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate your support, so please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and we appreciate all the support that we get out there, and we'll see you next time.